Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can remove pimples from your pictures. We all have time when our skin is just not as good as we would like to be, but I'm gonna show you one really fast and easy way to change that. Let's jump to the Photoshop. I found this really beautiful girl, but unfortunately she has some skin problems, and now we're gonna change that for her. The first thing that I'll do is to create a new layer where I'm gonna work with the tool that I'm gonna use is the healing brush tool, and make sure that you're working with not only the current layer but the current and below. I used the same technique for my tutorial how to remove wrinkles, so if you didn't see it, make sure to check it, because you can also see how you can use the same brush, the same tool to remove wrinkles from your face. I will first show you the faster way to remove pimples or acne. First you have to press out on a place from where we want to take sample, and we're kinda duplicating this to the areas with problems. Just a few moves and you see that the pimples are disappearing. Maybe here I have to take a little bit lighter tone. I'm trying to make it look as realistic as possible. And you see we already achieved a very good result with just a few clicks on the keyboard. Now let's check with her nose, because this is a little bit bigger problem. I'm gonna select the place from here and I'm gonna start. Oops, I went too far. Like that. As you see, for her nose, this technique is not really doing the best job, because her nose actually looks worse. So I'm gonna show you another way to deal with problems like that. If you made it to this moment, I would ask you to subscribe for my channel. This will mean the world to me, and thank you. First, let's check what we achieved for just maybe less than 2 minutes. This is the before picture and this is after. Now I'm gonna delete this layer and I'm gonna create a new one so I can show you a little bit slower way, but I think it's getting a better result, and I'm using the slower method more often. Again, with the same brush we have to make sure again that we have selected current and below layers. Without, we're selecting a clean space. I think it's option on Mac. So after we make our first move, we can go to edit and fade healing brush. If we lower the opacity, you can see that we can select a little bit visibility or 100% visibility. This one I'm gonna clear 100%, and we can do the same for every move that we make. So we can make some parts more visible and other not visible at all. I'm gonna clean her face first. Now let's again take lighter color here. And actually I'm gonna use this technique to her nose. You can see I'm first doing it to her whole nose. Maybe it would be better if I tried step by step with different parts. But still, this is also working very nice because you can control every move that you are making. I want to fade it a little bit here. Oh, this was too dark, so I'm gonna select a new place like that. We can control every different step. Edit, fade, healing brush. So just see what we did right now. Let's check the beginning and what we have now. I think we did a pretty good job, and this girl should be thankful. I think we achieved a very good final result in just a few minutes and just a few simple steps. If you like the tutorial, please like the video, share it with friends and subscribe for more tutorials from me. Bye for now. I hope to see you in my next tutorial, which is coming very soon.